How to create a Monday.com account. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Visit the Monday.com website. Open your browser and go to Monday.com. Click on the Get Started button to begin the sign-up process. Enter your email address. Type in your work or personal email and click Continue. You can also sign up using Google or LinkedIn for a quicker process. 3. Set up your profile. Enter your full name, job title, and team details to personalize your account. This helps tailor Monday.com to your needs. Choose your work preferences. Select what you plan to use Monday.com for, such as project management, CRM, or task tracking. This step helps customize your dashboard. Create a new workspace. Monday.com will guide you in setting up a workspace. You can pick a template or start from scratch based on your project needs. 6. Invite your team. Optional. If you want to collaborate, enter your teammates' email addresses to send them invitations. You can skip this step if you're working solo. 7. Explore your dashboard. Once inside, take a moment to navigate the features, create a board, and start adding tasks. You're now ready to use Monday.com.